Does your car shake when idling? Maybe your RPMs jump up and down like your engine can't make up its mind. Sometimes it even feels like it's about to stall at a red light. It's annoying, it's distracting, and for most people it's a total mystery. But here's the truth. In most cases, fixing a rough idle doesn't require expensive diagnostic tools or a trip to the mechanic. The fix? It's usually a simple, overlooked throttle body reset, something you can do right at home in under 30 minutes. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how to clean and reset your throttle body the right way so your engine runs smoother than ever. Let's get started. Part 1. Understanding what's going on. Think of your throttle body as your engine's air traffic controller. It sits right between your air filter box and intake manifold, and inside it is a butterfly valve that opens and closes every time you press the gas. At idle, that valve opens just a tiny crack. We're talking paper-thin precision. But over time, dirt, oil vapors, and carbon build up around that valve. When that happens, that perfect little crack gets restricted. The result? Your engine's airflow goes wild. Your ECU freaks out. The idle gets rough, your steering wheel shakes, and your RPM surge up and down. Now here is what most people, and even some mechanics, get wrong. Cleaning alone doesn't solve it. You have to reset the throttle body and force the ECU to relearn the proper idle position. That's the secret sauce. Part 2. Safety first. Disconnect the battery. Before we do anything, safety first. Locate your battery and find the negative terminal. It is usually marked with a -I sign and connected with a black cable. Grab a 10mm socket and loosen the nut. Twist and lift the terminal clamp completely off the post, then set it aside so it can't touch metal accidentally. Why is this so important? 3 big reasons. It prevents short circuits while you're working. It protects sensitive components like your throttle position sensor, TPS, and throttle motor. It clears old idle data from the ECU's memory. This is what makes the reset work. Leave it disconnected for at least 15 minutes. While you wait, grab your tools and locate the throttle body. Part 3. Locate and prepare the throttle body. Find the big air intake tube that runs from your air filter box toward the engine. The metal housing it connects to, that's your throttle body. You'll see an electrical connector plugged into it. That's the TPS, and in some cars, the idle air control, IAC wiring. Before removing anything, quickly inspect nearby hoses and vacuum lines. If any are cracked or disconnected, fix them. Vacuum leaks can cause the same symptoms. Now, let's disconnect the throttle body. Unclip the electrical connector, press the tab firmly, and pull it straight off. Never pull on the wires. Loosen the hose clamp that holds the intake tube to the throttle body. Gently twist and pull the tube backward until it comes off. Once removed, cover the opening with a clean shop towel to prevent debris or tools from falling into your engine. Part 4. Clean the throttle body properly. Take a look inside. See that sticky black carbon around the edges of the butterfly valve? That's the problem. But here's the right way to clean it. Never spray cleaner directly into the throttle while the plate is closed. It can leak into sensors and damage internal components. Instead, wear gloves and safety glasses. Spray throttle body cleaner onto a microfiber cloth, not directly into the bore. Gently push the plate open with your finger. Wipe both sides of the plate and the surrounding bore thoroughly. Focus on the edges where the plate closes. That's where most buildup hides. If the deposits are stubborn, use a soft toothbrush with cleaner. No metal brushes, no abrasives. Keep wiping until the cloth comes away completely clean. You want a smooth, shiny surface when you're done. Part 5. Reassemble everything. Now that it's clean, it's time to put everything back together. Reattach the intake tube and tighten the clamp securely. Plug the electrical connector back in until it clicks. Finally, reconnect the negative battery terminal and tighten it down. Your ECU is now wiped clean, ready to relearn from scratch. Part 6. The throttle body reset procedure. Now comes the most important part, the reset. Number 1. Sit in the driver's seat. Number 2. Turn the key to the on position. but don't start the engine. Number 3. Wait for 60 seconds. You might hear faint clicks or whirring. That's the throttle body recalibrating itself. After a minute, turn the key off and wait another minute. This lets the ECU save the new settings. Now start the engine, but don't touch the gas pedal. Let it idle completely on its own for 5 to 10 minutes. At first it might rev high or sound uneven, that's normal. The ECU is relearning idle airflow and fuel trim. Let it do its thing undisturbed. Set a timer, grab a drink, and wait it out. Part 7. Drive cycle. Teach the ECU to adapt. Once the idle stabilizes, take your car for a short, gentle drive. Mix in some stop-and-go traffic and a few stretches of steady highway speed for 15-20 minutes. This helps the ECU finish adapting to the freshly cleaned throttle body. Then, stop in a safe spot and check the idle. If you've done everything right, your engine should now idle smoothly, without vibration or fluctuation. Part 8. If the rough idle remains. Still have issues? Don't panic. The reset was an essential step, but it's not a magic bullet for every cause. Here's what to check next. Scan for trouble codes using an OBD2 scanner. Look for issues with the MAF sensor, O2 sensors, or misfires. Inspect for vacuum leaks. Spray carb cleaner around intake gaskets and hoses. If the RPM changes, you've found a leak. Clean the MAF sensor properly. Check your spark plugs, ignition coils, and fuel filter. Make sure the EGR valve isn't stuck open. Each of these can affect idle quality. But starting with the throttle body reset eliminates one of the most common causes. And that's it. You didn't just clean your throttle body, you helped your car relearn how to breathe. This process isn't a trick or a shortcut. It's exactly what factory service manuals recommend for restoring smooth idle and throttle response. If this guide helped you fix your rough idle, hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next DIY repair guide. Have questions? Drop them in the comments. I always try to help out. I'm Auto Care Secret, and this is how you fix your car the right way, not the expensive way.